What's up? So today is day 15 of the quarantine. My beard is repulsively unkept. And we're stuck at home. But I'm in my doing stuff pants today, so god dang it, we're gonna do some stuff. Right now I'm in my garage, and I got this whole workshop going on, except all of this stuff is the previous owner's old kitchen. And it's really nice that we got all these materials here, but it's not very optimal. So this video is all about reorganizing the garage, and I'm gonna hopefully get started to build out a better workshop. First things first, gotta clean out all this. Okay, so now that all my stuff is out of the way, let me show you what we're working with and what the plan is. So this is what it looked like when we moved in. The only thing we've done is there was a fluorescent light here. Oh, it was gross. It just kept flickering, so I put in a 1x4 foot LED panel. So what I want to do is basically take this portion of the countertop and I want it to go here. Then what I'll do is take these cabinets and put them in that corner. Oh, there's more screws here. Way easier. Lots of staples and nails, and gotta get some gloves on. That was kind of loud. The old lazy Susan. Come on, Susan, step it up. You know how on YouTube there's professionals that tell you to do it like the professional way, and then there's amateurs that are like, oh, we've done this a lot, here's our experience, here's how we do it. I am neither of those things. I'm a novice. I will very blatantly tell you that I do not know what I'm doing. I'm just trying stuff. Okay, it's off. Let's go over here. Oh my gosh, the flash popped out. I'm so sorry, camera. Okay, so since I had extra screws, I just filled in all the holes. The rest just go into drywall, but whatever. It's time to take out what's underneath here and see if this holds, which it does. Okay, so the last thing I want to do is take out this portion. I'd like it to just be one straight, work surface. Also, I have no clue what this resin barbecue sauce stain is, so it's gotta go. Luckily, I have the coolest neighbor and he let me borrow his circular saw. There we go. Oh. Yeah. My dad got me a contractor shop vac. Look at this. This thing is massive and it sucks like a pro. So this is where we're at. First stage complete. So this is what it looked like before. And after moving all my stuff in, this is what it looks like now. Look at that. Look how much space there is. I cannot wait to get started on my first project. That's it for part 1. I'll see you in part 2. All right, thanks for watching. Later.